alam nyo, napakasarap ng pagkain. Buti na lang pala hindi pa kami kumakain.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Good morning mga Zoo! Good morning from Mandarin Bay, Boracay. So ngayon, tayo ay magsiswimming with the kids. Excited na sila. Pababa na kami na elevator. Say hi naman!
Guys, I got this hair.
Mimi, hi!
I got this haircut. Matching with Sydney.
Swimming na?
Yeah.
Yes.
We got this for the sun.
Excited
Find
kayo?
crabs and shells.
Ayan, nag-aantay na kami elevator.
Good morning mga Zoobs! So I am coming to you from the Mandarin Bay here in Boracay. It's one of the nicest hotels I've ever stayed at. I'm sorry medyo maingay kasi may waterfall sa likod ko. But yeah, last night we had a really good night. We had some fun with our friends. But what I wanted to say was that when we came here yesterday, the Terminal 2 airport is so much nicer than it used to be. It reminded me of the Adelaide airport, and within probably 5 minutes we were already inside. So kudos to whoever organized Terminal 2. So far the best airport for me in the Philippines. You know, let us know in the comments your experiences as well. But yeah, I was just really surprised, and it was really nice that we could go to the airport and be inside in that short time frame. So yeah, good experience. That's what you need when you travel. But we are here and it's so nice to be in Boracay. Although the weather, as you can see probably in the background, it's not the best. But the kids wanted to go for a swim. It's still hot, so we're letting them go for a swim. But our view here is actually the beachfront, so it's nice. And the pool is just right here below us. But we actually have our own personal pool in our room. This room it's incredible. It's nice, it's spacious, it has a lot happening, and we were so surprised. And thank you Mandarin Bay for the surprise for my mum, because she's been wanting a surprise for her birthday for the longest time. But anyway, I'm gonna go downstairs with the kids, and we're gonna have a swim, so we'll see you downstairs.
I need time, just a little more time. I need time. I need time, just a little more time. One more time, one more time. I need time, just a little more time. I need time. I need time, just a little more time. One more time, one more time. Next to you.
You like the beach? Look, oh. You can see it na. It's ano. Ha? You wanna swim later? Pagkakain. Habang nag-aantay tayo ng food, pwede kang mag-swimming.
So clear. And what?
Mga Zoobs, papunta na kami sa lunch. Ito kami sa island, naglalakad. Ang lunch namin ay sa Mandarin Nest.
Okay, should come around my way. I've been trying to make you pay. That's just something I should say. I'm like, okay, should come around my way. I've been trying to make you pay. That's just something I should say. And I'm like, I need time, just a little more time. I need time. I need time, just a little more time. One more time. Next to you.
Ayan, galing na tayo ng Mandarin Nest at alam nyo, napakasarap ng pagkain. Buti na lang pala hindi pa kami kumakain. Nung dumating kami doon, Kita nyo yung sugpo, yung seafood. Tapos since allergic kasi sila Sam at Tita sa hipon, nakaseparate naman yung mga meat para sa kanila. Hindi lang namin naubos kasi sobrang dami ba. And ayun, gusto ko mag-thank you sa nag-prepare noon. Yan yung Mandarin Nest. So ngayon, pabalik na kami sa Mandarin Bay Spa. Kung saan, doon kami mag-swimming, pabalik. Titingnan na rin namin kung gising na yung mga kasama namin kasi late na nakauwi kagabi. Sabi, ang ganda-ganda ng Boracay ngayon, pero hindi lang siya masyadong matarik yung init. Medyo gloomy, pero okay lang naman. At least hindi kami masyadong maiinitan.
It's not that hot like in Manila.
Dito kami sa room namin, tapos meron kaming mini swimming pool. Oh. Kasi dun sa ano ngayon, medyo mahangin, malamig.
Mommy,
Yes,
it's heated.
it's heated, mainit. That's good! Hello! So nakapagpahinga kami ng konti pagkatapos kumain ng marami. Ngayon naman, may ibang ba? May ano kami, magpapamasahe kami ni Andy. Itatry namin yung traditional massage. Dito rin yan sa may Mandarin, pero sa kabilang branch. Ang tawag yata Mandarin Spa. Tingnan natin mamaya.
Where we went earlier, Mandarin Nest.
Yung lunch,
Ito,
Mandarin Nest. Yung isa, Mandarin Spa. Ito, Mandarin Bay. Nakaroad na tayo dahil magsaspa na. Magpapahilot. Traditional hilot massage. So, subukan natin yan. Let's go! Andito na naman kami sa pa-elevator. Ay, ang ganda ng ilaw niya. Hindi, meron na. Hindi na ako masyadong kapag-ayos kasi gabi naman. Grabe eye bags ko. Hindi pa yata tayo nakaka-recover dun sa...
From yesterday, or last night, till the
Tapos
morning.
lalabas na naman tayo.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
Ayan. Tapos na kami mag-dessert. So, matutulog kami ng maaga ngayon para...
We can make it to breakfast.
Yes. Kaya yun. Maaga pa mga Zooms. 12 lang. So,
It's 1,
1 na.
but still early.
So, sana mga 8 gising na kami para maabutan namin yung breakfast. Kasi balita namin, sobrang sarap daw ng breakfast dito sa Mandarin Bay. Kaya dapat ma-experience natin yan at maipakita namin sa inyo. Pero yung vlog na yun, tomorrow na yun. Kaya wag na wag kayong bibitaw sa aming day 1 pa lang dito sa Mandarin Bay and Spa Boracay. My mga Zoobs, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Good night.